Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine. Come on in. Something has been wreaking havoc inside this greenhouse, and it's been sneaking in here, just tearing up stuff, costing us thousands and thousands of dollars. If we don't figure it out today, we could be out of business. Come on, let's go. Aha! Look at that. Look how big that hole is. I could fit my whole hand in there. Well, whatever has been getting in here is huge, and it is being destructive. So yesterday, Geronimo was doing some weed whacking for us, and he says, you know, if you really want to catch something, why don't you try sardines? A can of sardines? That's just crazy, Geronimo. So I just got back from the supermarket and picked out this very expensive can of sardines. Whatever it is that's been getting in our garden is definitely gonna love this right here. And I'm gonna set the Ring camera so I know when it's gotten in that cage. Okay guys, last night I get this notification from the Ring camera that something has been caught in the cage. So let's go check it out. I don't know what this is. Is this gonna be a cat? It could be a dog. I don't know. But all I know is I hope it's what's been eating everything from inside the greenhouse. Oh my God, is that wow, a possum. Look at that little guy. Look at him. So beautiful, but wreaking havoc on our garden. Finally caught you, big guy. Possums are actually really cool creatures. They're nocturnal, which means you hardly ever see them, which is probably why we haven't been able to find out exactly what it was. And they usually eat bugs and snakes, but in a beautiful garden like ours, they will wreak havoc. So we gotta get him out of here, and I'll see you in the next video.